Well, we're making progress. Watch. Just watch. Okay, so we're just about moved out of, this is actually going to go in the van too. This is all my clothes that I have left. The rest of it will go in the tub, and just my bunch of my work stuff. And all this is going to storage, and everything is out of the cabinets, mostly the refrigerator, some lowly yogurt and mustard, butter, and blueberries. All will be consumed in the morning, the last morning here. All my kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff. So we say we go get the van straightened up, see what we've got done with that. Okay, so if this is your first time here, my name is Scott Tatum, and tomorrow I am going out full-time in this van. Okay, this is a lot of my stuff. I got a couple more tubs that'll come in here. Like my Ice Cove fridge, Blue Eddy power bank, and solar panels. Boxes, Starlink. Boxes left from the mug screen I put in. I've been a nomad for 9+ years. I've done a couple of long distance hikes. I've spent a lot of time moving around, and that's what I love to do. And I've done it in pulling a trailer, and I've done it in a truck camper, I've done it in a truck build, and now I'm going to do it in a van. And so this might be a last long hurrah for me. So as far as the nomad stuff, I just turned 65 this last Christmas, and I feel like one big giant adventure for 2, 5, 10 years. Watch. Just watch. A little confused here. Okay, so AC is what we're hooking up right now. So this is the fridge. I've never had it on before. Okay, well, it's showing 75 degrees right now, if y'all could see that. So got that turned on, and we'll see how that performs. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. May not be in here. Okay. And like I said, I'm not really settled on these being where they are, but that's where it'll be for now. So we'll give her time. Let her go on that. So we got Starlink refrigerator. So let's get the panels out, because I have an idea I'm going to put them right in between these bins. And I haven't even opened these yet. So you see where I got to go in here. I have to move you over here for a minute. So I've been doing this so long, it's not in a van, which I like the idea that I'm able just to get out of my seat, boom, right into bed. I can pull over at any time, any rest stop, anywhere that I know I can sleep overnight, and just stop and jump in. Okay, so we got a Starlink box for Starlink. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing the solar panels, but I had to get a knife. Of course, I think everything's in there at the bottom of that. So let me see. Do this way. The old no knife way. Key, all right? I think y'all can see me. Oh, interesting. I'll have to show you all this. So I'm gonna have to work on these a little bit. So they spread flat out. Okay, that's what they do there. And then there's these that I have to adjust, and they're on each panel. And so as you lay them back, they're laid flat, and they're going to be aimed like at the sun, wherever the sun is. And so that's what charges the power units. So if I'm boondocking on national forest lands or somewhere I want to be, going to be a few days, that will initially have plenty of juice, and then as long as I have some sun, I can keep the charge up. So I'm not going to fool with these, setting these up right now, because it's going to take me a minute. And I don't have one at this moment. And they spread out like this, and they'll lean back and face the sun wherever the sun is. Got it? Then you fold them up like this. That's your handle. There you go. There. So they fit right here for right now. Let's see if this is getting cool at all. I think so. There we go. I can feel something. Let's get some water in there. Some water cooling. Too. Anyways, goes on top. Nice. Nice. The Starlink thing up here until I figure out what to do with that. Ah, gosh. Okay, so get some boxes out of the way for now. Starlink box. Because this is on and the Starlink's on. So it's pulling about 75 watts with both of those hooked up. And if I left it here, just the Starlink and this going, it would run continuously for a minimum of 28 hours. That's amazing. So got that. Get you caught up on everything. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. And if you've been here before, please subscribe. It's free and it really helps the channel out. But right now, I've been on the roads, like I said, 6 days. I went up to Dallas to visit my kids, my grandkids' birthdays and stuff like that. And I had to go to Monahans, Texas, take care of some business, personal business. And now I'm in Fort Stockton, Texas. And today I'm going to be moving over to Fort Davis. And then after that, maybe Big Bend or shooting over to Arizona. That'll be in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.